163 displaced people belonging to Meitei community of Moreh have been brought to Imphal under tight security by Assam Rifles yesterday evening. Notably, more than 300 people including women and children had fled border town of Moreh to Myanmar when cookies started burning and vandalizing Meitei houses and shops on May 3rd. While some of them had earlier returned to Moreh and were evacuated by security forces to safety, the Assam Rifles had rescued and brought back 212 people from Myanmar on August 19. While some are still with the Assam Rifles in Moreh, 163 of the displaced people were brought to Imphal yesterday under strict security measures by personnel of 5 AR, 20 AR and 21 AR. It is not known where the remaining people will be evacuated to Imphal. Security forces apprehended 8 cookies including women along with 1 Mahindra Bolero fully loaded with household items looted from the abandoned houses in Torbun, Bangla and handed them over to Churachandpur police station for necessary reaction. The arrested cookie had been identified as Lalkhama Voila Vaipai, driver, his wife Laldai Kim, his father B. Athang, Luminso, son of Tonglam, Letmilal, son of Khazam, Mokniu, son of Zamkholan and N. Gamtham, son of Pauzathang. According to a police source, security forces stopped at Mahindra Bolero, registration number MN2G2528, moving suspiciously from Vengofai to Torbung, Bangla at about 5:30 p.m. on Saturday. When they checked, the vehicles was found carrying 40 to 50 GCI seats, 2 rims axle of a vehicle, 1 spare tire of heavy vehicle, 25 to 30 household items, 1 gas burner, 1 cycle frame and 30 steel items. All the 8 occupants of the vehicle along with the items recovered have been handed over to Churachandpur police station for necessary action, the source added.